Welcome to CG Taiwaner. My name is Hammer Chen. In this video tutorial, we are going to create a collapsing bridge by using particle flow. This is a very famous scenic spot site in Taiwan. It's called Longteng Bridge. It's remains of Longteng Bridge. This bridge was made in 1905, built by Japanese during when Japanese governed Taiwan. And there's an earthquake caused this bridge to collapse. So today we are going to create this kind of bridge, and we are going to create simulate this collapse with particle flow. And here's the workflow of how to build this effect. First, we are going to model in this bridge, and we are going to cut the bridge geometry into pieces with SplitItup maxscript, and then we are going to convert those pieces into particle with Bobo's maxscript. Finally, we are going to create a bridge simulation with particle flow. As you can see, I have already set up the reference image of the bridge. And first of all, I'm going to go to create panel and shape, and first I'm going to create a rectangle. And convert this rectangle to editable spline. Again, modify the spline if you want to, and then select the top two vertices and give it some Phillips value, so make it have a round corner, and select those two vertices and first use fuse and weld those vertices into one. And now we are going to give this bridge more, how to say in English, more span. So make 0 copy of this shape. Oops, I'm sorry. This part should be shorter. Okay. And can make some copy of this part. Yeah, select this shape and hold shift and move. This will clone this shape. Okay. And now we are going to create another rectangle. Okay. So now we are going to attach those shape into one. So convert this rectangle into editable spline and use this attach multiple. Select all the rectangle I have already created, and now under the spline level, select this spline, and we are going to use you can use subtraction. Again, multiple subtract those shape. Okay, now we have this piece of shape, and we are going to extrude it. So I select this spline and add a extrude modifier to it. Because this is a special effect tutorial, we are not going to focus too much on modeling parts. So this is the model. Convert this model into editable spline, editable poly, and this reference image we can delete it. So now that we have this piece of geometry, we are going to cut this geometry into pieces. So select this editable poly and go to maxscript, run script, and I have already downloaded the SplitItup maxscript, and you can check out my website SplitItup for this to download this maxscript. This is I forget the creator. It's created by someone. So we run this maxscript and pop out the interface, and check this mess up inside, and I set the mess amount value to 2, and level of spilt to 15, and run the script. Okay, now you can see now the bridge have cut into pieces. You can use this function, check result, move chunk. You can see the bridge are now cut into pieces. The next is convert those piece of geometry into particle. So first of all, in the top viewport, go to create particle system and click on this PF source. It's a particle flow source. Click and drag. And now go to modifier. You can see there's a particle view. Click on it. So as you can see, this is the interface of the particle flow, and we don't need rotation, so we delete. We don't need speed, delete, and we don't need particle icon either, so we delete. Shape, we don't need, so we also delete shit. So now you only have a render, burst, and display. And we also we don't need this burst, so we are going to burst the particle using burst script. So click on this burst script icon and drag over the burst, so it replaces the original burst. So now click on the edit script, and we are going to re replace those this original birth script with another script made by Bobo. So this the script made by Bobo, and we can now copy this script and paste into this one. And save. So now you can move the time slider. You can see nothing because the display now set the type to text. You can change the display type to geometry. Still nothing. So maybe we can add a speed to it and set the direction to render. Yeah. So as you can see now, our building are converted to a particle with this birth script written by Bobo. So next step is to create a deflector collide with those particle. So now we can select those piece of geometry. We don't need it, so we can select them and hide them. And to create a deflector, go to create panel and space wrap and deflector, and we create a simple deflector, and in the front view click and drag. And now we are going to create a very simple animation for this deflector. Turn on auto grid. Okay, like so. And now select the particle flow. We don't need this speed, so we delete. This speed is just for reference. So now we're going to create a collide test, and click and drag over here and select the deflector we just created. So as you can see, we have some problem because those piece of geometry, they are sharing the same pivot. The pivot is in here. To fix this, we have to unhide those piece of geometry. Unhide them. And we are going to change their pivot. So we go to hierarchy, affect pivot only, and hit this center to object. As you can see now, all these pieces of geometry now have their own pivot. Also, we are going to reset their X form. Okay. So now, again, select those pieces of geometry all and hide them. As you can see now, those pieces are collide with my deflector. The next step is create a force. We need those bridge pieces falling to ground. So we need to add gravity. So go to create panel force and create a gravity. Now select the particle flow and go to particle flow view, and you can create a force and copy and set this display into geometry, and you can now connect this collision test to the event 2. So what this means is, first take those pieces of geometry as a burst of your particle and display their geometry and collide with the deflector, and after they deflect, they collide with this deflector, they are bind to the gravity force and display their geometry. So now we can play this animation. You can now see the effect we are looking for. If you want, you can set this same color, copy, paste. Okay. Oops. If you like, you can create a ground with the simple plan like so. The next step is we are going to create this demolition with another way. So we are going to create another deflector. So go to space wrap deflector. This time we are going to use S deflector, the sphere deflector, and create like so, and go to frame about 15 and turn on auto key and move this sphere deflector. We can make several copies of this. Change the diameter, and we're now going to create 3 copies of it. make sure those deflector can collide with your bridge particle. So now select your PF source and go to particle flow view, and now change your deflector. So we don't need this deflector, we remove them and add those 3 S deflector, and now we can see we have a different demolition effect. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and bye bye.